Guess what time is it?
It's playtime.
Process, what are we gonna do today? Mr. Egg Hunt there at the piazza. And we're here at the venue. Oh, yung haba ng villa. Haba villa, friends. Oh no. Here. Pila tayo dito, baby. Dito, dito. Naglahay, kuya. Wala si Mom. Yes. Francis wants to line up for the photo booth. Yay! You want photo booth? Yay! Francis! Ready for the photo booth? Oh, sige, wait for the picture. Yay! Messi! Messi! Yan! Wow! Messi! Wow! Ganda!
Apa po siya? Okay, so may pupunin na tayo ng aking pork-beans. Huwag ka rin naman mapunta yan out sa ina. Pag nag-phone ako ng yung everyday. Makikita po ako mapunta. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday!
Going to the green one. Gulo na, gulo na.
Yung starting point ng blue. Blue yung may complete na. Yung playground po. Yung po yung starting point nito yung playground.
Dali ka, makuha ka kagad, baby, ha? Frances, you! Hanap eh. Hanap ka dito, baby. Ay, baby, baby. Eh, ito. Ayun, hindi na, baby. Ay, sayang. Hanap ka dun. Hanap pa. Lala egg. Hanap pa. Wala na. Wala na. Ano, hinahanap ka pa? Wala na? Process! Meron ka pa nahanap? No more? Bilis naman nila. Baka meron pa doon, baby. Hanap pa tayo dito, dito. Dito, baby! Diyan o. Hanap. Hanap dyan, baby. Hanap. Ate, careful. Ayan, tingin-tingin dyan. Dito, baby, baby. Hanap, hanap. Oh, Benny, did you get one only? Bagal natin. No more na? Bilis naman. No more eggs? Ah. Give up. No more eggs. Ayan. Ayan, yay! One egg only. But they're loot bag. Yay! What's that? What's inside, Frances? Open up. Wow! What's this one? What's inside the loot bag? This one, a pencil with stamp. Ah. Look at ito. Candies. Wow, so many treats. Next time, gagalingan natin na. Mas maraming eggs. Yay!